Lay the cable chain on the ground with the smooth side of the cross members hooks up. Move the chain in a sweeping motion under the vehicle so the open midsection is positioned up against the backside of the tire. Reach around the back of the tire with both arms and grasp both ends of the non-split side cable that is furthest away from you. Pull both ends to the top of the tire so the fasteners can be seen and handled more easily. Fasten the rear side cable by sliding the nub end through the similar sized fastener hole. Take the nub end of the lower fastener and thread it through the lower keyhole as far as possible to take up slack. At the top outside of the tire, take the nub end of the outside fastener and thread it through the keyhole fastener. Grasp the outside cable with both hands and pull it toward you to create as much slack as possible. Attach the rubber adjuster equally to each of the 6 segments of the outside cable to take up additional slack. Shown here is the round rubber adjuster. The open sides of the hooks of the adjuster should face away from the tire so they do not dig into the tire or wheel. If your chains instead come with the spider bungee adjuster, again, attach the adjuster equally to each of the 6 segments of the outside cable to take up the additional slack. Again, the open sides of the hooks on the adjuster should face away from the tire so they do not dig into the tire or wheel.